Roghnu's new data anomaly analytics helps companies proactively monitor their Sage Intact environment for best practices and risk management. Now, booking journal entries for reporting periods 2 months prior or further back introduces a mix of operational, compliance, and financial risks. And the purpose of this prior period entries dashboard is to help your data team monitor these prior period entries in order to mitigate against those risks. So what this dashboard does is it displays the number of transactions that were entered in prior months or in months prior to the last period, which is 2 or more months old. This helps identify users posting outdated or backdated transactions. So in the top left here, you see that we have 14 transactions were entered for prior periods. This was done in November. And then in October, 73 transactions were entered for prior periods. And to the right, we see what those prior periods are and the number of transactions that were entered. So if I click here, I see those 14 transactions over those periods. If I click on October here, I see those 73 transactions over that period. And then down below, we have more granular detail where the same figures above are broken out by username, admin status, and user status. And so here we can see that Roghnu demo has entered a lot of transactions in prior periods, especially compared to James. So this is something that may need to be investigated, looked into. And so what this dashboard does is it enables your analytics team to monitor when and by whom prior period transactions are being booked.
For more information on working with Roghnu and exploring how the data portal can help you get the most out of Sage Intacct alongside your other critical business data, scan the code on the screen or click in the link in the description.